Dawson's box is broken. Freaking out about that. Shit, the raid.
What?
Last night, the dealer raided the entire office. They placed a charge against him. Evidence of tampering on multiple cases. When I tried to call him.
Samuel's entire career was going down the drain, so he's trying to drag me down too.
You call the police?
He's rushing the phone.
Balik na sila.
Okay.
Ikaw ko
We gotta tell the rest of the story straight.
What story? He killed himself.
You watch your face?
Yeah, I rinsed my dead husband's blood and brains off. Why? You think that I did this?
It's not good. The cop is gonna ask you that question.
Okay, so let a cop ask that question. I'll tell him the
The
truth.
rest of the truth is not necessarily your best friend right now.
Hindi ka lang
So what do? I lie to the police?
relax
You
lang.
manage the truth. This doesn't look good for you.
I don't give a shit about looking good right now.
Here's your 5 minutes ago and wash the evidence off your face.
Hold me.
Listen,
Can you stop and think about why Mark sent you that message? Because I woke up handcuffed to my dead husband, whose carcass I've been dragging around the entire house. He siphoned all the gas out of the car. He thought to remove every sharp object. I have been chained to this nightmare all day. Do you really think that he sent you that text so you can come here and you can save me? Call the police!
shit. Don't go to church.
Ayan. Diba?
That's the time all back. There's nothing inside of it.
Sige po. Ano ulit? Hindi ako ulit.
Wala yung masakit?
Oo. Diyan pa yung inindan nila sa leg.
Para siyang ano, stiff neck.
Dati, hindi ako makaliwan. Susunod yung katawan ko.
Lakad ka damdaman, di ka makatartakay. Damdaman ka lang.
Ayan yung pangarap mo.
Itong hihirain yung leg.
Oo.
Napapanood lang naman. Dati yung panghila ko, kamay ko lang eh.
Meron na lumabas ngayon.
So, inano ko na eh.
Can I help you? Yeah, sure, what's up?
So, inhale ko.
Are you owner of the property?
Inhale.
No.
Kasi,
Welcome back.
relax na ako.
Yes, yeah. I'm Mr. Redford. It's the first time, you know. So you'll be here today to let us inside.
Pupo ka siya. Harap niya.
Be on your way.
You want to be settled inside? Those witches did out here, you know? We agreed upon even 200. And you're done.
That's it.
Actually,
Parang pumaktan ka mo.
facilities?
South border.
And a board. Listen, you got a problem with him or something?
Said you drove from Buffalo over 250 miles just to get to West Palm. With Indianapolis. I hear what you came from. Still you're standing here, so I got a problem with you or something. Got this point.
Relax na. Ika.
Listen, I need to get all this inside. It's a piece of work job, all right?
Ika. Relax. Pera yung sana tayo.
Bigay.
Okay na po.
Sarap. Ikaw din?
My turn.
Si Sige.
Sarap.
Oo.
Tiga po.
Dapa.
Dapa.
Mas marami ba?
Twisted siya.
Dati hindi ko maligo yung leg ko. Dati hindi ko ano.
Sa ano po yan, yung nandito niyo po. Yung dito, yung spine doon na twist eh. Pero pag ginano mo
So,
siya,
kung ano ko, may masakit eh.
inuugot niya kasi yung ugat. Kaya gano'n.
Sarap. Grabe. Sarap. Nakakari ko bilet. Sarap.
Stay po nga.
Ang dami gusto ko. Ay, Diyos ko.
May chicharon ka dyan.
Sabi ko sa'yo eh.
Sapa. Huwag kasi relax. Taas mo yun. Taas mo. Sige, relax ka. Higa.
malalaman natin si Ate Luz.
Dati doon.
Oo, para makurak yung likod niya. Kailan kayo ulit nga dito, sir?
Depende po sa kapag may schedule.
Hindi, kunin mo yung contact number ni sir para anytime malapit siya. Diba?
Hindi, pero
Minsan kasi
nalalaman din
ako-
naman ni Ate Debbie, no?
Opo, nandun po siya sa sa
Group
GC.
siya. Pinabasa nga niya sa akin kagabi.
Kasi yung hipag ko, may problema sa likod eh.
Ganyan mo. Sige ka.
Bigay ko lang.
Okay.
Meron pa rin.
Naubos na.
Naubos. Kanina,
Tayo.
dami. Nagugulat ako. Sabi ko sa'yo, marami akong alaga.
Lima yung yung biscuit. Okay na mo.